This is a day in the life of a girl who's studying media at Coleg Gwent and is also part of the rugby team. So first I wake up, get changed, get dressed, do my makeup, sort myself out, and then I look outside and I realise it's definitely not a normal day because it is snowing outside, so I had to get all wrapped up. I then made myself some breakfast, which was scrambled eggs, spinach, some sauce, some blueberries and a cup of tea because it is the festive time, so I got it in my Christmas tree mug. My dad then drives me to Blackwood bus station where I catch the 151 or the 56 to Newport. It gets me to college in about 35 to 40 minutes, but Scott does normally do a bus from Ystrad, which helps out a lot as well. Then this is me arriving at college, walking past reception and walking to my first lesson, which is tutorial. We have 1 hour of tutorial a week, so this is my Tuesday and this is when I do my tutorial. So we are applying for uni right now. It's our second year on the course, it's only 2 years, so we've got to think about the next step. So this is me applying for uni, waiting for my friend so I wasn't alone in the lesson anymore, and there he is, that's Josh. Then my second lesson is where we do our radio drama. So this is me and my rugby friend Lucy and Josh, who, we just do a lot of discussions in this room, a lot of audio. We were talking about radio dramas and just radio in general. Then this is me walking to training at the end of the day. So this is the rugby department, this is where it all goes on, the changing rooms, the 3G. This is me getting changed from my nice attire to my rugby stuff. And here's just a bit of a mashup of the training that we were doing. So we had a backs and forward split. This is us just doing some defence drills, some handling skills because the weather's definitely not that nice. We just had to get all warmed up. We then met up with the forwards down at the fire station field. So we had one big team run ready in preparation for the semi-finals tomorrow. And this is us, getting stinking, getting right in the mud, getting ready for the game tomorrow. This is us having a team talk, pep talk, ready for the semi-finals the next day. This is us in the changing rooms after, just having a bit of a laugh, and then getting ready to catch the bus home. This is Kat and my friend Chloe, who are both rugby girls as well, and we then caught the 151 back to Blackwood again, where I wait for my dad to pick me up. So this is a semi-normal day in the life of a rugby girl in Coleg Gwent.